After downloading Loiver's POS, open the app. As we can see, there is a registration and sign in. So I choose sign in because I already have an account. Put in your email and your password and sign in. Please confirm your email, so tap continue. You have no items yet, so we have to add some items. Just tap the item and tap add. So create item and put the name of your item. So my first item is a cappuccino and it is sold by each. Then put the price of your item and the cost. So here you have to choose the representation of your item. So I choose image, then choose a photo if you have a photo of your item. And afterwards you can tap save. So here we have our first item and we can add some more. You can also monitor the stocks of your item. Example is you sell bottled water. Here in the inventory, you have to tap track stock and put in your stocks. So here are our final items. So here the customer will just tap the items they want to purchase. So here is the total amount and the cash received. In the payment method, you will just choose between cash or card. And here you will enter the email of your customer for them to receive the receipt. And here is our first sale.